This is the garage elevator here at China Basin building in San Francisco, California. We got Epco here. Very rare Epco.
Oh, this is Epco?
It looks like an Amco.
Oh, it's like California.
I don't know what this thing is. It's got old GM.
Get my cab view quickly.
No, it's innovation.
Very spaceship.
Very innovation.
This thing's short.
It is very short in here.
Yeah, look at how close his head is. Well, both of them. Meanwhile, I'm short as hell.
Pete.
Look at how far the door goes into the...
Huh. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's like a bruiser.
Wow, that smells.
Motor.
Or did that take way less time to go up than it did to go down?
Going in or what?
Yeah, we can go one more time. No.
This cab is interesting.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my bad.
I like these lights. This reminds me of something we'd see on the CTA. If there's people out here also. Hold on, can you hold the door quickly? I want to see how fast these go. I'm going to pull up the app quickly. Ready? Yeah, let me just... I messed it up. Okay. It's really displeasing that some dots are brighter than the others.
Interesting. Very.